In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion shopping list and meal plan. By the end, you'll have a simple system that keeps all your recipes, groceries, and weekly meals in one organized place, so you don't have to juggle different apps or random notes on your phone. We're going to do this by using a pre-made template from the Notion marketplace, and then adding it to your own workspace. This is perfect if you're new to Notion, or if you just want something that works right away without building everything from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look at the left-hand side where your pages and navigation are. There, you'll see an option called Templates. Go ahead and click on Templates. This is where Notion showcases different ready-made setups for all kinds of use cases, including what we need today. When the Templates window opens, you'll notice a variety of categories and suggestions, but we're going to go straight to the Notion marketplace. At the top of that view, you'll find a search area. Click on the search bar above so you can look for a specific template instead of scrolling through everything manually. In the search bar, type in the phrase shopping list and meal plan. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled correctly, because that will help you find the exact type of template we want. Once you've typed it in, Notion will show you a set of matching templates from the marketplace that are designed for recipes, groceries, and planning your meals. Browse the search results for a layout or design that looks appealing and practical to you, and then select a template that clearly includes a shopping list and a meal planning section. When you click on one of the templates, you'll be taken to a preview page where you can scroll through and quickly see how it's structured. If you like what you're seeing and you know it will fit your needs, look for the button that allows you to add this template to your own Notion workspace. Click on Add. Notion will then create a copy of that template in your workspace, ready for you to customize. From there, you can start entering your own recipes, ingredients, and weekly meals, and adjust the views and categories to match your routine.